what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today I'm going to be installing new badges by Blue Envy Custumz. As you guys know, I have the Aerospec Racing ones. The reason I'm switching these out is just from day one I just wasn't really feeling it. They're really cool. They're full carbon fiber translucent blue, but for some reason it's just, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. The Blue Envy Custumz actually fit into the actual frame on the back, and it's also in the front is very precise as well, which I'll show you the color combinations that I did. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one. I've already started. So Aerospec does provide 3M on there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this off of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and review you the ones from Blue Envy Custumz. Alright guys, there you have it. It's such a beauty. All the color blends out here, so it's like a gunmetal on the main frame, kind of like in a galaxy gunmetal type of look, and then the center is also a galaxy mixed with purples, blues, gunmetal as well. It's just a nice piece of work. As you guys can see, it fits right dead center in the frame, and it's just a beautiful piece. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front now and show you how it looks. Guys, so here's the front. Check this out. Such a beauty. It's the reverse of the one on the back, so now we have a blue frame with a galaxy background. It's just phenomenal, guys. Blue Envy Custumz can do anything for you, any color. This is one of a kind, guys. This is basically unique to me, so there won't be no replicas, unfortunately, but you can do your custom colors that you like, and this is going to range in different prices. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the description the price ranges and a little bit of description of who Blue Envy Custumz is, and so that way you guys can check them out. Also guys, I want to note that if you mention Booster Whips, you'll get 10% off of this. This is definitely a very great option in alternative to Aerospec Racing. As you guys can see, the craftsmanship is very to par, and if not, just a different flavor altogether, and it looks phenomenal, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this right now. Once again, guys, you can use Booster Whips for 10% off. They provide a different type of Gorilla 3M on here. This thing would never come off, so they literally got to rip it off. So very nice, 3 strips. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this, go ahead and attach it, and show you a final view on how everything looks. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this in the sun. Just look at that beautiful galaxy, just pops out. Beautiful match to the vehicle. I'm very amazed at this. The sun, once it hits it, it's just phenomenal. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back one more time, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Look at that back piece. When the sun hits it, it's just a beautiful glare. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out the description for all the info on Blue Envy Custumz. Once again, if you mention Booster Whips, you'll get 10% off on your order. There's unlimited options that you can do. Any color, anything you can think of, these guys go ahead and do it for you, and it's custom to you, and they guide you through step by step on each stage of the process, which is really great. Keeps you informed, and definitely highly recommended, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and stay safe out there.